Okay, today we are going to update the NeoMonitor software on this tablet. It is currently in the locked mode, which means I'm not able to, in normal use, exit this app or use any other apps. So our first step is going to be to back out of the app. Though first I want to check in the Help tab what the current version of the software is that we'll be updating. So I'm currently on NeoMonitor v1.0.0a, and today we're going to be updating it to v1.0.0b. So to exit the app, in order to uninstall and then reinstall the new version, we're going to go to System Settings. Then here on the System Settings menu, I'm going to tap Application Settings, and this screen appears for me to enter the master app lock password. This is a long string of numbers and letters and symbols that will be written down in a work instruction or other document for you. Okay, then I will tap Close App, and I've now been able to exit the app to the main screen of the tablet. Now, because the app is in the special locked admin mode, we can't just uninstall it how we would if it was unlocked. If we try to do that by tapping uninstall here, we will be unable to do so. It won't uninstall this way. So what we have to do is a factory reset on the tablet. So to do that, we will go to Settings. Here I am in Settings. I'm going to scroll to the bottom to About Tablet. And then under Looking for Something Else, I will tap Reset and select Factory Data Reset. Note that this is going to erase everything, all apps and data on this tablet, so be sure that we've exported everything from the app or anything like that before doing so. And I'm going to confirm that I would like to do that. Okay, for part 2, we are going to start on our PC and do the setup here that we need before we can install the new program on the tablet. So if this is not already installed, the Android Developer Toolkit, we'll have to download it from the link provided. So I'm here on the site. I'm going to download the Windows version of the Android SDK platform tools by selecting this link and accepting the agreement. Now the platform tools is going to download onto my computer. To install it and start using it, I'm just going to unzip it. Now, the next step I need to do to get ready to perform this programming is to place the new application file, the APK file, and the matching batch script into the platform tools directory. So I have these new files that I'm going to be uploading onto the tablet, the v1.0.b. I have them downloaded here on my computer, and I'm just going to select them and copy them, and then enter into my new platform tools folder and the platform tools directory, and I'm just going to paste them in here. So there's my new NeoPanda app and NeoPanda batch script files that we'll be using today. And now I'm ready to go back to the tablet and get going on the process. So this is my tablet here that I have just reset. We're going to follow all of the prompts in here to get the tablet reinitiated. So we will agree to the terms and conditions. We will skip any old data. We will turn off the Wi-Fi because we don't need Wi-Fi. I will set it to my current time zone, or whatever time zone you or the customer is located in. I will accept the standard settings. We will not put security or password on the tablet because the app will lock itself. Skip anyway. We will skip signing into a Samsung account. And then we are all done. Okay, so here's my fresh tablet, newly reset, no apps or anything. So what we are going to do, I'm going to connect my USB-C cable to the tablet. And then we are going to turn on the developer settings of the tablet so that we can perform this streamed install and programming from our PC. So to go to settings, I will swipe up, select settings. I'm going to scroll to the bottom and select About Tablet. Then we'll go into Software Information. And then to enable the developer tools for the customization of the app mode, we have to tap this build number line 7 times. So be sure to follow along with the written instructions for this as well, as there are several steps. So I'm going to tap 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now it tells me developer mode has been turned on. So I will go back out to the settings page, scroll to the bottom. There is now this field that says developer options, and I will tap that. And so my developer mode is on. The last thing we need to turn on so that we can perform this streamed programming is USB debugging. There's a toggle here. I will turn that on. And then tap allow for the USB debugging to be allowed. And now I'm going to allow debugging from this computer that I'm connected to specifically and allow it to access data. So now we can control this tablet from our PC in our platform tools directory. So how we are going to do that is open a PowerShell window in our platform tools directory. So I'm still here in platform tools. And to do that, I will do go anywhere in this folder and do Shift right click. And that will give me the option now to open a PowerShell window. And so that is going to open this programming window here, the blue screen. So the first thing I'm going to do is my first command is /adb space devices. I'm going to reach out for my tablet that I'm connected to. So it does recognize my device here. It's successfully attached and it's able to program onto this device. If there's no device listed here, then we may not have allowed all of the USB debugging features on the app side. So we'd go back over there and enable and allow. But now we are ready to do our programming. So I'm going to copy the name of the batch script from the folder here by just selecting it and going copy. And the only command I have to run in here is /, then right click to paste it in. And it is going to, then I hit enter and we will run this script. So it is performing the streamed install. And we will let that run. And look for the confirmation messages. So it's telling me here the NeoPenda app has installed. It's enabled the airplane mode. It's successfully set the device owner and the active admin and the device admin. So this has been a successful streamed install. If there were any errors or anything, we could just run the same script again and try to correct that. But this has been successful, so Now I can go over to my app and unplug the USB from the computer, turn off the developer mode by hitting that toggle, and then we are going to launch the NeoMonitor app, and it will lock itself into the app now that it has these settings programmed. So I'm going to swipe up here. Here we have our new NeoMonitor application icon, so we'll just tap that. It is going to open the app here and ask me to turn on Bluetooth, which we must allow, and ask to access location. We will tap allow. So now this app is fully set up and in the locked admin mode. We'll notice that it's at the bottom of the screen here. There's no home button. We can no longer leave the app without going into system settings and entering the long unlock password. So now we are ready to use this app. Let's double check the version number again to make sure it's been updated from V100A, which is where we started, and now we're at V100B, and we are ready to use this locked app with a customer.